Alaskan road trip, day 3. Let's go take a pee. Just woke up. Did you see all the trash?
Still loads of bear shit. It's like 4 piles there.
Let's go check it out. Apparently this is bear poop, so that's what you gotta look out for. I wonder if grizzly poop looks any different.
Bigger.
Bigger? My rock stack is still here from yesterday. I need to stop by the Wi-Fi so I can do an upload real quick. We're gonna head towards William Lake, which is 3 hours deeper into our journey. We'll officially be 6 hours away from Vancouver, which is not a very far distance to go for a 3-day road trip so far. Just uploading some videos. About to go brush my teeth back here in the rec center. About to head out. This is the order. He's leading, Gmo's in the middle, I'm in the back. We both have walkie-talkies to communicate. Leaving this beautiful scenic view for some more better views. Got the walkie-talkies here to communicate. What's up?
Yeah, we've got about a 3-hour ETA to Williams Lake and should be arriving any minute now.
So clean the house, clear the drawers, mop the
be true, but it is. Oh, it is. Let me go down the line.
Made it to Williams Lake. I need to go pick up some motor oil so that my car doesn't just burn it all up on the way there. And I probably am gonna buy a chicken or something. I might make some spaghetti, something that I can munch on for the next 2 days so I don't have to buy fast food like the British guy.
I should change my name.
You can only film in Walmart if you have.
This is like $11. It'd be cheaper just to get some Wendy's. Instead of buying this chicken here in BC, in Canada, the chicken is almost a little bit more than the beef. So I'm gonna get 2 pounds of beef instead of like 2.5 pounds of the chicken. Better deal here. Oh, I can juggle. Keep it going. Get some cheese for the eggs. Sammy's.
Hey buddy, how you doing? Good stuff. Good. Is there a auto section in here for oil and stuff like that?
Motor oil.
All the way down.
All right, we're getting this full synthetic for $28.88. $57 over here if we want the mobile one. I'm not paying for that. We're going for the cheaper, better deal right here. Okay, so we ended up with mushrooms, beef, cheese, motor oil, and some Canadian pasta. 54, let's see how much that comes out to in American. Burn, burn, burn. Ow! Son of a gun. Son of a gun, is that pretty American for you?
Yeah.
You don't say son of a gun?
I know it. I've heard it in the movies.
What do you say?
Son of a bitch.
Son of a cracker. What's a phrase that you say?
You know, we'd say like sugar instead of shit. Like, oh, sugar.
You don't say bruv very much.
I don't say bruv at all. That's
At all.
no one gets raised saying that. So
Yeah.
like, most people I know who say that, like, it's kind of weird. Like, you know, they're
Yeah.
not really like that.
Watch, it says free ice, but they're gonna be like, you have to buy something to get the free ice.
Beer? Dude, let's go get a beer. Come on.
Thinks he's American. Ooh, kombucha's so good. Good for your gut health biome.
Just get it one for English, 3.
We can get as much ice as Mike needs.
2 bags, legally. For all my alcoholics out there, drive over here to British Columbia liquor store, get some free ice. So we're doing an Alaskan road trip right now. He's got his little car camper. This is where I've been sleeping. I mean, it's kind of a mess, but ripped out the front seat, ripped out the back seat.
Check out my YouTube channel. Is at Outdoors 331. Yeah, you want a pepperoni stick?
Yeah, sure.
Honey garlic.
Do I just?
Good, thank you.
Oh yeah, this is so good.
You're welcome to have another one if you want.
I'm not gonna say no. Thank you for the sausage.
Ah, no worries.
Pepperoni, actually, yeah.
Pepperoni sticks. What editing platform do you guys use?
CapCut. I just do everything on the phone.
Is it easy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Need a place to shower. I might go jump in the lake. Just to
Yeah.
rinse off or something.
It's cold water there right now.
There's no Planet Fitnesses in Prince George, is there?
Probably not.
So you guys get in trouble for videoing in places and that?
I just walked in Walmart and they were like, you can't film in here. I was like, okay, I won't. Did a little bit of filming. It's not like I'm being obnoxious. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not. You know I'm not gonna say no.
Take the rest for the trip.
The rest?
Yeah, I got.
This guy.
Too generous.
Oh, thank you so much. That's some Canadian love right there. Appreciate you. What should we do with this?
Should we go for the back?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I told you to only take 2. And I said,
She did not say that.
I said, there's 2 of us. And then she said, yeah, it says 2 with purchase. And I said, well, it should say 2 bags with 1 purchase, not with purchase. Because with purchase,
I knew we were breaking the rules. I walked up to her, I was like, what's the cheapest thing we can buy? And she like looks around like,
Yeah.
I don't know, some soda.
You don't like your job.
It's like, maybe take the free ice sign off the front door and take down it off the highway if you don't want to be giving out free ice. The person before us, she was like really nice and kind and smiling. And we walked up and she was just like,
Americans.
yeah. I called him Buddy, so he gave me his sausage.
Dude, I told you. Did you call him Buddy?
I called him Buddy like 3 times. Thanks, buddy. Hey, buddy. Thanks, buddy. Final destination. Hey, that's pretty cool. This dude rolled around the world and raised 254 million. That's pretty dope.
I always thought growing up, I can't wait to go to America and try all this insane fast food. And I can't lie, every single thing I tried there that I tried anywhere else was worse quality.
Here's like this little like museum spot here in Williams Lake. $1,000 reward.
He definitely just got eaten by a bear. I mean, look at the picture right next to it. It's a big bear.
So if we find this guy, we'll get $10,000. So this is like a telephone that they used back in the day. They got all different types of phones here. They got this sick bike, London helmet. I think that's like the conductor. I don't know what this is. Cowboy type of stuff here. The horse saddles. Did you ever ride a bull? You think you could hold on?
Yeah, for sure.
You ever been to like a bar where you just like go ride like the mechanical bull? No?
I've never even seen one.
Really?
No, they don't have them really.
I've never done one personally.
We should try and get one on this trip.
No, in Alaska, that'd be cool to find one in Alaska. Look, it's a Mountie. Big old moose right there. John's nice, put them on. Pop me out the box, I'll feel brand new. They built that cabin inside a giant cabin. Cabin inception. Little Williams Lake view here. Look at a giant wheelchair over there. I want to build one of those out in the woods.
Me too.
Surviving that. There's the real mound right there. B is a fish trap. Where's B? Oh, this thing. Oh, wow, that's so cool.
Fish swim in and they can't swim out.
Hansen trap. I don't know what that'd be for.
Chris Hansen.
A watchmaker's desk. Imagine growing up with that haircut though.
I know people who grew up with that haircut.
These cameras are just insane.
What is this?
Jukebox. Don't put it in my mouth, bro. This is like a Saw movie. The barber's chair. Yeah, that is. Bro, that is literally Squidward's clarinet. That's like, that is Squidward's clarinet to a T. Check this baby here. Something's wrong with my baby.
Dr. Mike, what are you doing to that baby?
It's dead. Quit. I'm resigning, bro. That's a med kit right there. That's Quaaludes right there. They're extinct. Extracted human teeth right there. How am I supposed to push this?
That's good.
Filling up again. I think my car holds 40 liters. Timeout convenience here. Okay, just stopped at 52 Canadian. Just probably like, what, like 43? 43 US. About 20 minutes away here from the next town. It's called Prince George. It's been being really rainy. I got a leak. Push the top trunk back. Hopefully the leak stops up. It just makes a gap in the window right there so the rain gets in like crazy. I'm gonna try to get into a Anytime Fitness, just go in there and take a shower real quick. I ate all of those sausages that the Canadian dude gave me. I'm gonna cook spaghetti tonight for dinner. I think I'm gonna buy some windshield wipers just because these windshield wipers suck. I think it'd definitely be safer for this Alaskan road trip if I had some new windshield wipers. Okay, I walked into the Anytime Fitness to get some intel to see when they close. I'm eating this peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh, this wave of exhaustion just came on to me. I need to cook this food before I shower, and the sun is like, you know, slowly going down, so start cooking up some food, why don't we? See, with this setup I have here, I kind of have to take everything out just to get to my table that I cook on. I haven't cooked on this pan in a minute. I guess this is gonna take a lot longer. This is a good idea. This is why you always clean your pan after you cook.
For dinner tonight.
Spaghetti.
A video of it.
Yeah, I'm doing a video of it. I'm here at the bus stop trying to get this water to boil. A bunch of buses just pulled up. I think it's hot enough. I could throw some noodles in there. Try to get them wet. Add a little bit more water. Maybe I can use this as like a little table. See? All right, they're nice and chopped up now. So if a noodle sticks to the car, that means they're done, right? Okay, they're done. Throw a little bit of coconut oil in there. Come on, Come on. Oh my God. I put way too much paprika just now. That's what the seasoning's looking like there. Woo! I'll toss a couple noodles in here to see how they coexist. I just finished. I ended up with 3 big bags of spaghetti, a little bit left in the pot there that I'm gonna eat right now, and then I'm gonna get prepared to go to the gym. 15 bucks, and we got all this food versus British guy paid $15 at Wendy's earlier and he got 2 sandwiches. Definitely not my best, but for quick and easy, right on the side of right by the bus stop. I think next time I'm gonna marinate the mushrooms in the sauce. All right, let it go throw all this stuff away. I'm gonna wipe down the table, pull the stuff out, put the table in, and then put everything back. Let's go. Plan successful.
That felt amazing.
Get this Starlink set up, that Wi-Fi on the road, splitting it 3 ways, 50 bucks each. Unlimited Wi-Fi all the way to Alaska. It's a good deal right there. Pulled up to Tim Hortons here, 24 hours. They got that good Wi-Fi. I was doing a little bit of editing. He's uploading on YouTube. I got the balaclava on. I do think sense of humor has a lot to do with intelligence.
From Newfound Gap, Derek's family wrote, quote,
I'm just absolutely destroying this spaghetti right now. Just got to our sleep spot. It's a rest stop. There's a couple semis here. I had to put the window shades up, cuddle up, maybe edit a video. I'm exhausted, bro. It's a bit chilly tonight, 54 degrees. It's gonna get down to 50 degrees. So I flipped these window covers here. I don't have the fan running tonight. I don't ever really get in my sleeping bag. My car normally stays pretty toasty if it's like 30 degrees outside or below. Once it gets below freezing, then I'll get inside the sleeping bag and I might layer up with wearing a jacket or some sweatpants with socks on. We did some good driving today. Tomorrow, hopefully we can get some more driving done. Let's see how many hours we have left to drive. It's not loading. I'm gonna say we have like 29, 30 hours left of driving. Peace out.